Nah guys, kita hari ini visiting Remus headquarter di Austria. Ya, halo guys, kita udah sampai di Remus headquarter. Nah, ini kita bersama Mr. Christoph.
Hi, I'm Christoph. I'm International Sales Manager at Remus. I'm responsible for all overseas customers, what we have at Remus. And I try to support in the best way our clients. And now I want to show you our manufacturing site here in Styria at Volzberg. Come with us.
Yuk, kita lanjut.
Here you can see the entrance with some meeting rooms. Here is our human resource department. That's the office of our owner. He's unfortunately not here today. Here are our meeting rooms. Our meeting rooms are named for famous Austrian race drivers like Niki Lauda. And this is our project management. Hallo, grüß euch. Uwe Grasser, I believe you know.
Yeah.
Uwe. And the drawings and all that stuff, they are here. And here is the construction. And now we are going downstairs through the shop floor and straight into the research and development. Here are our tooling specialists, the welding department. Here this is our famous sound chamber where we are doing during the research and development phase our prototyping and the dyno for the car and also for motorbike. And here we create the famous Remus sound in this sound chamber, and I believe it's one of the core competencies what we have in-house, to have our own dyno and own sound chamber. And not at least the sound chamber, we have also a kind of a test track where we are able to prove the sound of our exhaust systems in the environment and in the air. And yeah, that it is. Unfortunately, today there is no car and we are doing no tests, but here are always tests during the research timeline. Yeah. At the V form, there you can see the beginning of the tube and how it is produced with inner pressure, fluid pressure, form into a tooling the outer shell of the Vespa Remus muffler. For a system, welding gauges where we span this gauge and this rig on our roboters, because we have robots for welding, and then they are able to produce it automatically or semi-automatic, but also we are welding manually. We have both. Here the inventory, the stock. Here you can see the coating. In front there are the incoming goods. What we have here, our tubing manufactory, where we are producing the tubes, where we are bending the tubes. And here is a complete automated bending cell. Yeah, no, not the tube, we bend it. We bend the tubes, we are getting the tubes from our suppliers. Here the 3D, the cutting, the laser cutting. the bending, the automated bending cell. This all, what you can see to the back, is all manufacturing side.
Okay.
So here we are manufacturing. There comes the tubes or sheet metal comes in, and then we proceed through the complete manufacturing side. Yeah, and here coming the goods in, and then we process the complete tubes, the bending. Here also bending, forming. These are press forming. And here we are going through the manufacturing side, and here you have the complete machinery, what is necessary and required to process the tubes for our exhaust systems. Yeah, these are tips for our product here as well. Small tube bendings, here you can see, are for the hangers, and we are producing also our hangers and latches and all that stuff.
The material.
The material we get the tube supplied from a tube supplier, what is enclosed in the area, because we want to reduce our shipping costs and also the CO2 footprint. We want to reduce the CO2 footprint. That is the reason why we are purchasing locally. Most of our parts locally purchased. So we are an European quality manufacturer, and we want to reduce the CO2 footprint. Here are the welding places where we are manually welding. Yeah, and also welding gauge. Here is our tool shop. We are doing our tooling by our own, and when we are purchasing tools for the processing of a material, we are also able to correct it. And we have all in-house, and that's great to have it in-house because you save a lot of time. When you have to do it with a partner, an external partner, you will need 1 week to ship the tooling to the partner, and one back when he corrected, and so we can do it in-house. And that's mainly our manufacturing side. There you can see we are fully automated, and we have the newest process ability.
Oke, jadi guys, kita tadi udah factory tournya Remus.
Yeah, we are pleased to have you as customers in Indonesia. We are pleased to have our great partner in Indonesia with Autofresh. And we really appreciate that you're using Remus parts on your car. And we are looking forward into the future with quite a few new models, and we are happy to have you.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Thank
See
you
again
for your visit.
Okay,
And
see you soon also in Indonesia. Okay.
Of course.
Okay, bye bye.